Hi, this is an infographic video for the subject TAX267 for the question 2. These are our group members. I am Ence Muniandi. I want to dispute an additional assessment issued to me. What should I do?
What is additional assessment? An additional assessment is issued when the tax authority discovers that the taxpayer has not paid the correct amount of tax. This can happen when the taxpayer purposely omits income, when a tax refund was given by mistake, or when there is additional income that has not been taxed yet. Generally, an additional assessment can only be issued within 5 years after the end of the relevant years of assessment. However, this time limit does not apply if the Director General of Inland Revenue can prove that there is a fraud, willful default, or negligence by the taxpayer.
Okay, the answer for the question 1 is Encik Muniadi must file Form Q, Notice of Appeal, to the Special Commissioners of Income Tax. The deadline for the Form Q must be submitted within 13 days from the date of service of the Notice of Additional Assessment and must be addressed and submitted to the Director General of Inland Revenue DGIR at the Inland Revenue Board of Malaysia, IRBM or LHDN branch that issue the assessment. For question 2, assume Encik Muniadi misses the official deadline to file his appeal due to being hospitalized. Identify the legal avenue available under the Income Tax 1967 that allows him to apply for an extension of time to file his appeal.
So this is the legal avenue for Encik Muniandi. What he must do is that he must file a Form N, which is application for extension of time for giving notice of appeal, and then he must state his reason, which is the official 30 days period for a regular appeal has expired and Encik Muniandi was hospitalized during the period. The form must be addressed and submitted to the Director General of Inland Revenue DGIR at the Inland Revenue Board of Malaysia IRBM branch to issue the statement.
Moving to question C. Analyze the legal implications of Encik Muniandi deliberately hiding the 30,000 ringgit consultancy fee in an offshore account. So the answer is number 1, tax evasion offence in Income Tax Act 1967, deliberately hiding the 30,000 ringgit consultants fee in an offshore account constitutes an intentional criminal offence under Malaysian tax law. Number 2, financial penalties and interest. Encik Muniandi will be held strictly liable to pay the full understated tax amount, alongside heavy compound penalties and accrued interest imposed by the tax authorised. And the last one is possible criminal prosecution and reputational damage. Encik Muniandi may face criminal prosecution for tax evasion. If convicted, he may be fined, imprisoned, or both. Tax evasion may damage his professional reputation and reduce trust from clients and business partners. That's all from us. Thank you.